Welcome back. Today is Tuesday, September 10th. We have nothing in the news. Tomorrow we have CPI to look forward to. As always, let's start with DXY. So on the daily chart, yesterday price was located within this internal range liquidity, which was a bearish fair value gap. Looks like we got a close slightly above. So I would say that invalidates this bearish trend, bearish direction, I should say. Today I would look for external range liquidity in this direction. So I would have a bullish bias. All right, so DXY is bullish. Let me take a screenshot of this. See how quickly I could run through this bias. All right, over to CL. Daily chart. All right, so we're below this external range liquidity. I'm still interested in higher prices. Yep. Yeah, so still looking at higher prices headed to this level here. We haven't reached it, so no reason to change now. Close on an inside day right here. Yeah, still seeking higher prices on CL. All right, over to ES. Daily chart. As always, bias is determined by where price is located at your time of entry. So we're still below this swing, still inside this bullish fair value gap, still have not reached this internal range, so no reason to change the bias. Bias is still bullish on ES. Simple enough. And lastly, certainly not least, NQ. Daily chart. Where is price located at the time of entry? So currently price is still below that swing. It's not inside any fair value gaps, but it's below a swing. And we did get the change of state of delivery on the lower time frame. Still headed back up to get to this inefficiency. So we are still bullish on NQ as well. All right, so to quickly recap, looks like we're bullish NQ, bullish ES, bullish CL, and bullish dollar. All right, that's all I have for today. Let's see what the market gives us. All right, so while I was editing this video, I realized that I missed something on NQ. So originally I had said we're below this swing. I'm looking to reach up here, not realizing that fair value gap was formed right after yesterday's close, right here. So at this point, we'd be opening during our trading time, we'd be opening inside of a bearish fair value gap. That would give me a bearish bias unless this gets disrespected. And disrespect would be a close above, so I wouldn't know until the end of the day. So going into today, NQ, I have a bearish bias. Let me just double check ES really quick. Yeah, there was no gap formed. Most recent swing would be up here. I mean, you could technically say that this here would be an inversion, because we did get a strong close below that. Yeah, there'd be a strong close below this inversion fair value gap, and we'd be reaching back up into it right now. We wouldn't be bullish until we, long-term bullish, I should say, until we put in a change in the state of delivery. So I'm unclear on ES. I'm pretty clear on NQ though. If we're bullish dollar, your safest bet, I'm gonna have a bearish bias. But in order to take a bearish position, I would need to see a 15-minute CSD at least on ES. Not so much on NQ, but for sure to feel confident with ES and an ES position, I would need to see a 15-minute CSD. All right, so scratch what I said before. I'm changing the bias to bearish on both. I feel like that makes a little bit more sense. Let me just double check. CL. Yeah. All right, let's see what the market gives us.